Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to lock a folder on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, if we have some folders and we wanted to lock it up because it is an important files. So in order to do that guys, we need of course to select what folder that we need or that we want to lock up. Okay, so in order to do that guys, you just have to go to your um you know application and search for this utility and click that one. So go to your file, okay, at the app, so above, and you need to go to the new image and of course image from folder. Okay, so I'm thinking guys that I wanted to secure this file. So after that guys, you need to create its name, let's say AA, and of course you need to select this recommended, and of course we have here, what do we have here, let's say okay, there's one, let's say save, and we need to put some password in here. So let's say, and you need to verify what password you put in, remember. Okay, just click okay. So we just have to wait. Okay, and it's good guys, so we let's just take a look at it. Okay, so if here, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.